Hello everyone, Jorge from Byrider Madison here, making a quick little video of some vehicles I get to show you. I hope everybody has been having a great Independence Day. I know that I have, and talking about independence, I know that there's a lot of folks that are probably looking for their first vehicle and to be an independent driver. So I have a great selection for those that are looking for a vehicle of their own, and we are the place to start. And so here we have this Honda Accord right here. Another vehicle right here for starters is this Chevy Cruze. Third vehicle that we have as well is this Hyundai Elantra, and this last one for those that are starting to get their vehicles is this Mazda3. I know that there's a lot of folks that are probably looking for their own vehicle and they're wanting to be independent, and we are the place to start. So we have that 3-year 36,000-mile warranty. Covers a lot of things that those that are having their first vehicles worry, and they don't have to worry about that. So if you're looking for a vehicle and have a hard time getting one due to credit, give me a call, 608-663-1213, Jorge with Byrider. See you soon.